Have you ever wished to explore a magical world under the stars? Join me as I set out on a quest to discover the most magical nighttime adventures under the stars. The night, with its mysterious allure, beckons us to step out of our comfort zones and into a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Imagine walking under a canopy of twinkling stars, the moon casting a silver glow on everything it touches. It's a realm where time seems to stand still, and all that's left is the moment, wrapped in darkness and illuminated by the celestial display above. Many of us, though, struggle to unwind at night. We find ourselves caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life, and by the time the evening rolls around, we're too overwhelmed to do anything but collapse into bed. The thought of venturing out into the night seems daunting, and so we miss out on the magic that awaits us. Our lives become a series of routines, with little room for spontaneity or adventure. As a result, the night, with all its potential for enchantment, remains unexplored. Feeling lost at night isn't just about the physical act of navigating through darkness. It's also about finding a way to quiet our minds and let go of the day's worries. When we're unable to unwind, we miss out on the chance to experience the world in a different light. Or rather, in a different darkness. The night has a way of heightening our senses, making us more aware of the world around us. But when we're too caught up in our own thoughts, we fail to notice the beauty that's right in front of us. In losing ourselves in the routines of the day, we often forget that nighttime offers a unique opportunity for reflection and rejuvenation. The world at night is not just a darker version of the day. It's a completely new realm, full of possibilities and experiences waiting to be had. By not venturing out into this realm, we're essentially leaving a part of ourselves unexplored. The challenge, then, is to embrace the night, to see it not as a barrier but as a gateway to new experiences. Whether it's a simple walk under the stars or a more adventurous nighttime hike, the possibilities are endless. Stargazing on a clear night, with no city lights to obscure the view, is a profoundly moving experience. Lying on a blanket, gazing up at the stars, you begin to feel small yet connected to something much larger than yourself. The world, in all its complexity, seems to make sense, if only for a moment. Nighttime hikes offer a different kind of adventure, with the darkness adding an element of mystery to the familiar trails. And then there are the cozy campfire stories, told under the starry sky, which have a way of weaving magic into the fabric of reality. Each of these experiences, in its own way, captures the essence of nighttime adventures. The tranquility, the beauty, and the sense of wonder. They remind us that the night is not something to be feared or overcome, but something to be embraced. One of my most memorable nighttime adventures was a solo trip to a secluded spot far from the city lights. I had been planning it for weeks, and finally, the night arrived. The sky was clear, and the stars shone with a brilliance that I'd never seen before. I lay on a blanket, watching the constellations twinkle to life. It was a moment of pure magic, a reminder of how small we are in the grand scheme yet how connected we are to the universe. In sharing such stories, we inspire others to seek out their own nighttime adventures, to discover the magic that awaits when the sun dips below the horizon. It's about creating moments that stay with us, moments that remind us of the beauty and wonder of the world. Recapping, the enchanting aspects of nighttime adventures are what make them so special. They offer us a chance to unwind, to connect with nature, and to see the world in a new light. So, consider how you can create your own magical experiences after dark. If you've had a memorable nighttime adventure, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more content on exploring the world under the stars, be sure to check out my video on nighttime exploration tips. Thanks for watching our stories. Please don't forget to subscribe.